What are your thoughts on affiliate marketing? Do you view everything you can on the subject and try to improve upon your own marketing plan? There are numerous resources available such as magazines, videos, books, shows, etc. So where do you begin with your own plan? Try going through the tips in this video to find your starting point. So let's jump right in. If you are trying to make some extra money online and are thinking about doing affiliate marketing, you might want to pay someone else to set up a website for you. There are a variety of companies that guarantee a payout if you go through them to set up your affiliate advertising venture. Separate your task lists so that you do not become confused or bogged down while working as an affiliate. Personal matters can sometimes get in the way of affiliate marketing, especially if you allow them to bleed over into your work. Make sure you're doing your best to keep these two worlds from colliding. Do not waste your time on products that are only offering commissions of 5 to 10%. You can hold out for larger commissions of 20 to 50%. And with the way this type of marketing works, it's usually the better products offering the larger commissions, and better products sell a lot easier than cheaper products. If you are trying to maximize the money you make from your affiliate marketing program, make sure you are getting credit for all the traffic you drive. Some programs only pay for purchases made on the first click-through from your site, but there are some that credit you for a set number of days after they click from your page. If you are a beginner in the world of affiliate marketing, it is important that you become educated about certain terms that are used. Otherwise, you could be missing out on important knowledge that could help you become successful. The internet is a great place to learn about terms for affiliate marketing. Websites that already have robust affiliate programs can boost the effectiveness of their internet marketing strategy by offering customers the opportunity to become affiliates. Such an offer is not viable as a standalone policy, but if the business has established affiliates already selling products for them, it only makes sense to solicit more affiliates through sales. A great affiliate marketing tip is to offer excellent customer service to your customers. No customer will stand by a company or business that won't even bother responding to their emails or phone calls. By promptly addressing people's concerns, you'll be providing excellent customer service to your customers. The key to making money with affiliate marketing is finding a way to increase the number of people who visit your site. The vast majority of people visiting your site will get there through a search engine such as Yahoo or Google. For this reason, it is critical that you utilize search engine optimization techniques to acquire a high ranking among the major search engines. Use your phone's recording features to capture ideas that you have while on the go. If you don't have a recorder on your phone, call yourself and leave a voicemail with your idea. A great idea for improving your traffic or a new idea for your blog can hit you in the weirdest places. Be prepared to be able to capture those flashes of brilliance. You can enhance the quality of your affiliate marketing efforts by creating a lens on popular sites. Squidoo. This allows you to generate income from visitors to your lens while also allowing you to place your site link on the lens. This technique is especially effective because it encourages visitors to search out relevant product and service materials and resources through your online presence in two separate locations. When considering which affiliates you want to put on your page, you should understand that communication is very important. Many affiliates have automated systems and resource databases to address your questions, but there are those that have real people you can talk to. These tend to make better affiliates as you can address any concerns you may have directly. To aid in successful affiliate marketing, use paid affiliate marketing programs. Paid advertising allows you to purchase ads that target keywords, which can greatly increase the traffic of your site. This is a great way to drive your sales up, as you will greatly increase the number of potential buyers. A great idea for affiliate marketers to implement with their business strategy is to start focus groups with customers and website visitors to gain insight on their feelings about your site and the products you advertise. This is a great way to find ways to improve both your website and the products you choose to sell. For the most part, affiliate programs won't get you rich, but they can earn you a nice supplemental income if you do a little work creating a good network of affiliates. Be choosy and use only the best content, and choose affiliate programs that will reflect your site contents and interest your readers. Keep track of your statistics for every affiliate marketing program you are in and switch out those that aren't working for those that are. You need to constantly keep on top of which ads are being clicked and which are not, or which strategies work best, like integrating links into content. Keep a photograph of your family above your computer monitor to remind you who you're working so hard on your affiliate marketing strategies for. If you're unmarried, have a photo of your pet there. If you know that your money is going to support loved ones, it will make you work that much harder to earn it. Now that you have an idea on where to start crafting your own affiliate marketing plan, are you ready to start experimenting? Are you ready to apply what you have watched in this video to your business? Can you start better promoting your business using affiliates? If you can, then great. If not, make sure to go back through the tips again. I have a free ebook which you can download instantly, on how I make $3,597 per month with affiliate marketing. This ebook shows you practical ways to generate massive numbers of hungry buyers to your affiliate link. The best part is that these are all free methods. I have included the link in the description below. Also, let me know your favorite tip in this video. I read all comments and respond whenever necessary. And lastly but not least, if you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be alerted when I publish new videos with similar content. See you in the next video. Cheers.